Hello everyone, in this video I will present an article review entitled Implementation of Contextual Teaching and Learning Models in Islamic Religious Education Learning. Article information title Implementing Contextual Teaching and Learning Models in Islamic Religious Education Learning. Authors Ulum Bakrul and Shafi'i Imam. Source Journal of Teaching and Learning, Vol. 1, page 45 to 53. Date of publication September 2022. Introduction. Background information. The learning model is one of the components that influence the learning activities of students. Learning model must also be adapted to the uniqueness of students to increase their abilities to the maximum. PAI learning, which is the science of worship, of course, is not only limited to the theory given but also connects the material present with the surrounding environment and the real world situation of students so that it can give birth to a scientific attitude towards PAI concept. To help students understand PAI concept, a learning model that directly connects learning materials with students' real experience in everyday life is needed. Namely, the contextual teaching and learning model, CTL. Learning is a learning concept that helps educators to connect learning material with students' real world situation and advance students to make connection between the knowledge they have and its implementation in their daily. The context of CTL learning is not just listening and writing, but a process of experiencing and directly objective. The purpose of this article was to analyze the planning, implementation, and supporting and inhibiting factors in the implementation of the contextual teaching and learning. Learning model in PAI, learning at Bakalan Elementary School, Pasuruan City. Theoretical framework. This research used descriptive qualitative research. That qualitative research is essentially used to examine natural objects. Many show that qualitative research follow natural. Observe people in their environment, communicate with them, and seek to understand. Explain phenomena that people give to research. Data collection techniques used in this study were interviews, observation, and documentation. In data analysis, the researcher used a qualitative data analysis approach, validation of data using triangulation, implication, and peer correction. Research and discussion. The first, planning. CTL lesson planning is done through the development of effective learning tools with a reflective approach. Second, implementation. The implementation of the CTL model includes study groups, teacher workload, textbook use, and good classroom management. Third, supporting factors, teacher quality, teaching experience, and a supportive family environment. And the last, inhibiting factors, challenge in understanding the material for low ability students. Conclusion and recommendation. The application of the CTL learning model at primary school bakalan show positive result in improving students' understanding of the AI. This model is effective when accompanied by careful planning and support from various parties, including teacher and the environment. Further training for teachers on the application of the CTL model is needed to improve the quality of teaching. In addition, the development of relevant learning media is also recommended to support a more effective learning process.